What's up everyone, Jamie Hertz here with The Good Food Chef, and today we're gonna make a dish that I like to make for myself all the time, and that is chicken katsu soba. Now I know what a lot of you are thinking, what the heck did I just say? Well, chicken katsu is basically panko breaded chicken. We're gonna serve that on some soba noodles, and then we're gonna make a nice light vegetarian dashi broth, and we're gonna blanch some veg in that. This dish is super simple, it's very light, and it can feed your whole family for so little money. If you hadn't already done so, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications because I make weekly videos just for you. And of course, smash that like button. I'm hungry. I'm Jamie Hertz with The Good Food Chef. Let's get this.
Fireworks came at me, I could almost touch the light. Sitting here watching the sky of July. 3 years have passed since our day of reckoning. I'm still here falling with you. Written plenty love songs and I thought I'd write some blues, but when the lights exploded it reminded me of you. So I'll take it in and spill it out and give it all to you. I'm right here falling through you.
Every broken song,
Falling with you,
exists all that I've done wrong.
falling with you,
And I'll hold you in my arms late at night.
falling with you.
I know I try to make amends and do it right.
You said you left your ghost behind and now you're there to see. I offer only comfort in what I believe. Do what you have to, prepare for what's to come. Take it in and gift yourself, let it be undone.
Every broken song, exists all that I've done wrong. And I'll hold you in my arms late at night.
Thanks everyone for watching this recipe with The Good Food Chef. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that this inspires you to get in the kitchen and start playing with food. If you hadn't already done so, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and of course share and like the video. I'm Jamie Hertz with The Good Food Chef. We'll see you soon, everyone.